It is Saturday morning, June 14th, 2025 at the Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station, LaGrange, Illinois on the BNSF Railway Chicago Subdivision, also known as the racetrack. It is 6:47 a.m. and this Hi-Rail truck is cleaning up the mess from yesterday afternoon over here at LaGrange Road crossing. Westbound BNSF freight plowed into a semi-truck, and he was just cleaning up the mess. Ray's doing it now. Here's an eastbound Metra commuter train heading from Metra's Aurora Transportation Center to Chicago Union Station. The sign says sidewalk closed. The sidewalk was damaged by the BNSF Railway lead locomotive hitting the semi-truck here at the LaGrange Road crossing, damaging the sidewalk. Let's have another view of the truck cleaning up the mess. I understand the semi-truck was loaded with pillows. Look at this plywood. I think this westbound station was damaged. So I'm taking a Metra to Naperville this morning. Usually on this track, it'll be on the track the other side. Cleaning up the mess from yesterday, huh?
No, this is pretty
The what?
It's ready to go.
Oh, really? That was damaged too?
This is all pre-work before the accident.
Oh. What are you actually doing then?
Just picking out the edges for the back part. We're changing the tires on it.
Oh, what are you doing? Cleaning out the... What are you cleaning out?
The edges of the tires.
Oh, this isn't related to the accident yesterday. Cleaning out the edges of the tires before replacing the ties. Thank you. Yeah, again, it is Saturday morning, June 14th, 2025. The Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station, LaGrange, Illinois. Again, this Hi-Rail truck is cleaning out the edge of the ties before the track ties are replaced. Again, Saturday morning, June 14th, 2025, LaGrange, Illinois, over and out.